Okay, this is my box I just got from Amazon. Looks reasonable. It's a little squishy. It's not super firm. It has 2 computers in it. So we're gonna open it up here. Leona, please hold this.
Okay.
Just like that. Get a good shot of the box while I open it, please.
Okay.
I'm a little worried about the contents, so this is documenting the shipping. All right. Ah, okay. Looks like we have interior. So we have, oh, that's not nearly as good as I was hoping. Back up. So we have keyboards.
Nice.
Keyboards.
2 keyboards.
And then we have, okay, I'm not sure what they were thinking here. I mean, there's the, okay, the computer case itself. Okay, the bubble wrap. All right, notice this here. The bubble wrap is shoved into the middle. Why was the bubble wrap shoved into the middle? And then the computers themselves pushed up against the sides of the box. And that popped. But you can see here, these bubbles are basically flat and completely collapsed. Yeah, look, see? I'm pressing on already flat bubbles. These were crushed. I hope these are okay. But it's ridiculous. Computer there, right up against the box. Computer here, right up against the box wall. And all the packing right down the middle. I'm not impressed.